Before telling you why an EV is going to be the right vehicle for you, I'm going to tell you this. Whether it's a sedan or a truck, can be either the best vehicle you've ever owned or the worst possible vehicle you've ever owned. It really depends on how you're going to use it, being fully aware of the capabilities of the vehicle. EVs are wonderful as far as economy. Okay, I am a cheap guy. I have been personally driving electric vehicles of different makes for, 14 years now. Probably about 150, 160,000 total miles that I put on them here. I don't like going to the gas station. So the EV is a great thing. I've gotten into a habit. I pull in my garage, I plug my car in, I go in. The next morning I get up, my car is fully charged. I can go wherever I need to at that point. Maintenance is drastically reduced on EV vehicles compared to internal combustion engine vehicles. You'll never have an oil change. Don't have all of the different systems that can go out of adjustment that gas vehicles can. Keep it charged, rotate the tires as appropriate, put a new in-cabin air filter annually, and that's pretty much what you do on this. As far as actually driving the vehicle, 100% of engine torque is available from the instant you press the accelerator pedal. Even the smallest electric vehicle is a race car in disguise. If you are taking curves when you're driving down the road, it stays glued to the road more than anything else you've ever had a chance to drive. The Mach-E and the Lightning have such sophisticated driver assistance systems with them here. The car will virtually drive itself. And in fact, in many cases, if you have Ford Blue Cruise, and until you've experienced the vehicle actually driving itself, you have no idea how great that is.